Hey there, I'm glad you're with me today. I'm Mark and I'll be showing you how to draw a slice of pizza. So grab yourself a sheet of paper, a pencil, some markers, and let's begin. I'm going to use a pencil to draw my lines so that I can erase the unwanted lines later on. Draw a line up over towards the right at a slight angle. Then over at the end here, I'm going to curve this. This will be where the crust is going to be. So we're going to create this like little round shape of a thick crust. And then we'll come back down and we'll go all the way to the end here. And I'm going to leave this end open for the time being. Then going back to the crust area, we're going to go over towards the left side of our page. So we're going to come off of this, and your lines don't have to be totally straight because pizza is all kind of like just random curves and stuff. So we're going to go over to the left side of our page, and then we're going to curl this over for the top part of our slice. Then we'll come down and we're going to meet back up over here to where the crust is. So we're going to kind of come over like this. Okay, now the next thing I'll do is over at this side. So right where this starts to curve, right here, we're going to find that same spot over there on the top. And we're going to come down, and we're going to come about over here. Because the pizza's in a slice in the shape of a triangle. So we're going to kind of come down like this. Now, I left this area open because I'm going to have my pizza, like the cheese, dripping over the edge. So we're going to come right off of this edge. We're going to kind of come down and just round this a little bit. And then we'll kind of curve this up. And then we'll come up there. Now, I don't want to just have one little piece of cheese dripping over. I'm going to do another one somewhere around the middle over here. So you guys pick where you want to put that. And all you need to do is just draw a line that just goes over the edge, and then it comes back up. And then you know what? I'm going to just do another drip of cheese like this. This can be almost like a water droplet shape. And I'm going to come up and go back over here. And then we'll just have a little bit more kind of like oozing over the crust area. Now don't worry about these lines that you're seeing going through because we're going to erase those later on. Now I'm going to add some pepperoni slices. So my pepperoni slices are going to be these elliptical shapes, and you can do however large of pepperonis that you like. So I'm going to do them about this size, and then I'm going to put another one over here like that, and I'll do one more down towards the bottom of my pizza slice. I've got like 3 nice size pieces of pepperoni. Now if you're done and you just want to have a pepperoni pizza, you're all set. But if you want to keep going, I'm going to add some mushrooms. Now I like mushrooms, so I'm going to put those in. But I know if you don't like them, it's okay. You could just skip this part and put in some other veggies that you like. And I'm going to just put a couple mushrooms. So I'm just going to do these shapes like this with a little curve at the top. Just some simple, basic mushroom shapes. And then maybe like one more over here. This one's at an angle. And this one's going to kind of come, and this one's a big piece right there. Okay, so I got 3 mushrooms, and you know what? I'm going to put some olives on this as well. So let's do some olives. I'm going to make a round shape like this, and then I'm going to do another bigger one around it. So these will be my olives. So I'll do one there. I'll do another one up over here, and then I'll put another one maybe over here, and one more olive piece over there. Now if you want to put some onions and things like that, just have some fun and do that. Now I'm going to add some more little details to my pepperoni. I'm just going to add these little circular shapes on my pepperoni. Just going to put a few of those like this. All right, now I'm going to go back over to my pizza crust, and I'm just going to draw these lines, these like curves. And these curves are following this curve in this shape of the pizza crust. It's kind of like rounded, and you can have these little bumps in it. And I'll just put a couple like that. And then we'll do some more from the back side like this. These are kind of like, the pizza's kind of crusting over and splitting over, just like that. All right, and then over inside of this area of the crust, I'm just going to draw a little round shape and then another spirally shape inside of that. Then where my pizza cheese is, we'll just add some more little echo lines. And this is going to give us the shape that there's some like thickness to the cheese. So I'll just follow my curve and just add a few little lines like that. And then I'll put a little wave right over here because the cheese is like oozing. And we'll just put a couple little more dots just for little bubbles in the cheese. You can put those anywhere you like. And I might just add a little bit more bumps over there. All right, there you go. We just finished drawing a slice of pizza. The next step for me is to outline using a black ink pen. Now remember, we don't want to go through our pepperoni because our pepperoni's on top, but we don't want to draw these lines here. So watch what I'm going to highlight using my ink pen, and then you guys can follow along. All right, grab an eraser and erase all of those unwanted pencil lines. Now, if your drawing didn't turn out quite like mine did, just go down in the description. I left a link there. Click that link, download the coloring page, and then you can follow me and color along with me. Here we go. Well, this looks super tasty. I think I might order myself a pizza right now. Well, if you like the video, please click that like button and subscribe to the channel. I do videos every weekday, and until the next one, I'll see you then. Have a good one.